Now today I thought I'd show you what I do with my empty jars of Nutella spread. Now I've got a couple of jars because I've just finished making a chocolate cheesecake out of Nutella and it's absolutely gorgeous, so check that one out. But what I'm going to do with the leftovers is, rather than just put it in the recycle, I'm going to use some hot milk and get all that chocolate and make a chocolate flavoured hot drink, and it's delicious. Now the thing is, when you've made it up, you can put it in the fridge and have it cold, and whichever way you have it, it's delish. Give it a go. So just going to pop my milk in there. I mean, it's not an exact quantity when you do this. Obviously I've got 2 jars, so I'm going to pour half of that into each of the jars. Might as well get the best out of it. Now I'm going to pop that in the microwave until it's just frothing, but keep an eye on it so it doesn't come over the top. So just going to pop it in the microwave. Obviously, as I say, you could do it on the hob. Keep an eye on it. Don't let it boil over the top, otherwise you're going to have a mess. Oh, just caught it. Mine took almost 3 minutes, so just under 3 minutes. Look at that, lovely and boiling. You want it nice and hot because obviously you want to melt the chocolate from the inside of the jars. So let's pull that out and we go and tip that in the Nutella jars. So just going to pour the boiling milk in there, and again same on this side, like that. And then what we can do is just put a lid on. Put it on fairly tight, and I'll just do it with one of them. Obviously careful because it will squirt out, and really just give that a bit of a shake. Do the same on the other side. For some reason you always get a bit of a pressure build up when you do that. Be careful doing it because obviously it is hot. So I've been shaking those. I mean, if you don't get every single bit out, it's not the end of the world. But I think that will do us. Now what I am going to do is just quickly wipe up that mess. And then we can get a glass. We just pour that in there like that. 1, 2. And so we've got most of it out. Not every single bit, but enough to have a drink anyway. So there we go, we've got a simple but really delicious Nutella chocolate drink. Now it's still a little bit hot, so I'm going to let that cool down slightly, and then I'm just going to have a sip and see how it is. So I think that's cooled down a little bit. Let's just try that. Cheers. Oh, that is delish. If you like chocolate flavoured hot drinks, that is gorgeous. And it uses up, obviously, you know, all that Nutella out the jars, and you know, a little bit of milk, and you've got a really tasty drink. And you know, it's a waste just to let that Nutella go to the sort of, you know, the bin or the recycle, so use it up. Now if you want to see the chocolate cheesecake that I made with me 2 jars of Nutella, check that video out because it's simple to make, 4 ingredients, and it's gorgeous. But thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you on the next one, The Original Naked Chef.